So welcome students. So in this question you're given that you have a lizard and an insect which are separated initially by a distance of 21 centimeters, and the insect is moving at a uniform speed of 20 centimeters per second, and the lizard starts with an acceleration of 2 centimeters per second square. And after how much time will this lizard be able to catch the insect? So again, mathematically seeing, this is a question of rate of change, but this is a very straightforward question in physics, right? So I'll just directly solve it using physics equations. So the lizard is starting from rest and going with an acceleration of 2 centimeters per second square. So the distance traveled by lizard is equal to ut plus half at square. U is equal to 0. So half into 2 times t square. That is equal to t square. That means after a time t, the lizard travels a distance of t square. Similarly, what is the distance traveled by the insect? Insect is traveling with a uniform velocity. So the distance traveled by the lizard is equal to velocity into time, that is 20 times t. So if this lizard has to catch this insect, the lizard has to travel an extra 21 centimeters. So this implies S1 has to be equal to 21 plus S2. That's the instant where the lizard can catch the insect. So this implies t square is equal to 21 plus 20t. So now you have a quadratic equation. You can just solve this. T square minus 20t minus 21 is equal to 0. This implies t minus 21 into t plus 1 is equal to 0. T minus 21 into t plus 1 is equal to 0. This implies t equal to 21 or minus 1. So obviously minus 1 is not a valid answer. So the lizard will be able to catch the insect in 21 seconds. So that should be the answer to this question. Thank you.